What's up, Josito? Welcome to Chop Fest 2024, where all the accounts come to get blown. Yes, sir. I actually took a trade after I logged off with you guys. I saw an opportunity for a short, and I broke even for the day. Thank God. I was down like a G on that Tradeify account. So now I feel like I'm fresh. Came back from the gym, stretched, sweated, ate lunch. So we're good. We're feeling great. Let's see what we get here. Let's see what these Fed minutes have to say for themselves. I'll pull it up on the screen. Do I have it up? Market might be making a move right now. Looks like it is. Looks like it wants to go higher. We'll give it a minute. I'm not going to trade for the first 5 or 10 minutes. Fed minutes to offer clues. Okay, when was that? 5 hours ago, 3 hours ago, 51 minutes ago. Fed minutes of Federal Reserve 1 minute ago. Here we go. What we got? Who cares, right? I mean, Fed minutes, some participants said that the Fed could pause easing and hold policy rate at restrictive level if inflation remained elevated. All right, so I guess what they're trying to say is they're more likely to pause. This is not good for the market. The market should probably experience a dump. I'm not believing a pump right from the door. It might be the first initial move that it might want to make, but I think there's probably going to be some dumping going on today. Call me crazy, but I think there might be some dumping. We kind of knew that the market wanted to, that the Fed wanted to kind of pause, any further rate cuts. It's kind of what they're reiterating, and it's basically what we were expecting all along. So this first initial move off the news is looks like it wants to go higher. I don't believe that, at least not yet. If it was always that easy, right? Shooting for higher? She's shooting for higher. So since I went to lunch, I went to the gym, it looks like we had a slow grind up, followed by a slow grind down, followed by a slow grind up, followed by a slow grind down. Now do we get a fast move up to 2120? So we've been kind of trading at the lower range here, at the lower range. Let me see if I can find a... Yeah, this is more like it. Again, that rejection. See if I can highlight the 70% of VPVR. Oh, that is value area high. Okay, looks like we're getting a little bit of a rejection here. I'm gonna let her do her thing a little bit. These trading fees, man, they add up. Trading fees add up. I'm at break even for the day, but I still have $250 worth of trading fees. I mean, maybe that's because I'm trading 3 contracts and taking partials. I don't know if that affects it. I think it might. Yeah, I think it may. There she goes. I'm not going to take any trades right off the rip right here. I'm going to wait for more confirmation and further manipulation before I see something that has more of an opportunity. Bitcoin seems like it did take that dump. If I would have taken that short earlier, if I could take that short earlier, I would have been made in the shade. I got to figure out what prop firms allow you to trade Bitcoin futures, because that would be pretty cool. If we can do some Bitcoin, we do some oil, do some gold. A couple of guys here are saying they trade the Russell. That's pretty cool too. If I was a bet man, I want to say this market is probably going to keep heading down. Let's take a look at the 30-minute. What's up, Tova? Yes, sir. Since I have had this broken hand, I really haven't hit the gym in a week. So I went and I did some cardio to get my heart going again. I stretched for like a good 20, 30 minutes. I did some legs, and then I came home, had lunch, and here we are, ready for round 2. Yeah, we're kind of losing strength right now. I'm seeing that on the 30-minute. We look like we're going to be dumping off pretty soon here. On our momentum indicator, looks like we're dumping off. Got a bearish divergence as well. And we're losing money flow. And then we also have this. Looks like it's coming back from being overbought to now looking to be oversold. So it's not looking all that hot for the bulls. Even though we kind of expected that, right? We said we're going to be dumping today off the Fed minutes. We're currently right now at the POC, which is a rough place to get into a trade at. Yeah, boxer fracture. That's exactly what this is called. That's crazy, you know that. Tova must be a doctor. Tova must be a doctor. Like Dr. Pepper. What's up, net trades? I'm sorry, no trades. Today we're okay, man. We're up on our Bullnox account about $580 something or 520, I think something like 580, I think. And on our Tradeifys, we're about broken even for the day, minus some trading fees. which is more than I could say for Patrick Wheeland. I just saw his video on the way to the gym, and my man is down $80,000 today. Prop for money, obviously, but it was some live. It was live funds on Top Step. He's down over 80K on the day. That was wild. It made me feel good about being broken even. Are you a medic? Cool, man. Did you box or did you fight or MMA or anything like that? Yeah, break even is still green because you walk away learning something. Absolutely. Yeah, so I did that off stream actually. As soon as I logged off with you guys, I saw a setup for the short, and now I'm only down $30, which is pretty much break even when I was down like 1,300 in this account. So I'm very happy about that. Haven't taken many trades today though. I'll be honest with you. Usually by this time, I'm usually on my third or fourth account that I'm trading. But today I've only traded my bull knocks in the morning pre-market, and I traded this Tradeify account pre-market and then like the first couple hours of the day. But it's been pretty choppy and ugly and disgusting. So I really haven't been wanting to commit to anything. My man Tova had a rough childhood. Yeah, man. It makes you a stronger person. All right, guys. We got a little bit of a volume going in either direction. We see the kind of sharp volume down, and then now looks like pretty strong volume up. I don't trust it. I think I might want to make room for a short somehow. My Bitcoin trade short would have worked really nice if I was able to catch it, but I couldn't trade that. I couldn't trade that on. I couldn't trade that on Tradeify. Tried, but didn't work. All right, we've got a lot of chop still, which is kind of crazy. Still got a lot of chop here. I'm still leaning towards short. I'm still leaning short on this just for a couple of reasons. I see we had the, I'm on a 3-minute here on the right-hand side. We had this bearish absorption right in here at 985, 980, and followed by high volume candle. We came back to clear out those imbalances, and now we're moving back down again. Looks to me like the market may want to continue down. But how she does it, when she does it, is going to be the question. Really would like to see some high volume moves before entering anything. These aren't them, but we'll see. We'll see what this turns into. I was telling my wife in the trades. I was telling my wife that someone recognized me from my prior life on the live stream yesterday. She thought that was pretty funny. She worked with me in the office too, so we're kind of both happy that that's, you know, not what we have to do every day anymore. It took a lot out of us. Yeah, I really do think this market went slower. I really think this market went slower. I just would like to see a little more manipulation, maybe another run up to 980 and try to wipe out some early shorts. Or maybe that only happens when I go into short early. See what's the market doing? Nvidia is slightly green, so is Tesla. Microsoft is up. Meta's up. How's Amazon doing? Amazon is ripping, huh? Amazon's the only thing keeping this market afloat, I see. BTC is hurting. BTC could see the 80s again easily. Maybe even as low as 80,000. It's not uncommon. Yeah, no. I get that a lot. I've done a lot of YouTube, so I get stopped sometimes in other places when I have other channels. I used to do a lot of real estate content about local real estate here in Florida. And I guess I still do. I get stopped all the time. Like, oh, I moved here because of you. I moved here because of you. And I saw your videos and you sold me on Naples. So, yeah. I kind of had to put that behind me because I wasn't really passionate about it anymore. It's kind of like you do something for so long, you kind of just lose interest in it. Kind of the way I was feeling. So I didn't want to do anything half-assed. But the trading stuff, I've been super passionate about since moving to Florida. Sucks, I missed that trade. I wanted to go short. Hopefully we get this opportunity again. I think that's where this market's heading. Maybe we see a reversion back. Check out the footprint chart and see what we've got. Is anybody getting trapped? I want to think that some traders got trapped here in this this move down. Some. We still had negative delta on this candle where we reversed from. We still had negative delta. I mean, we had some trap traders out here, but not really many. Not many at all. Yeah, the fix and flips, man. Your partners are happy when you're making money, but when you're not making money, everybody's pointing fingers. I've had a bunch of those partners who did absolutely nothing. I did all the work, and then at the end, when we don't make money, sometimes they're like crying a river. Like, where did you spend the money? Where did the money go? Like, dude, have you never seen how much money goes into fixing a house? It's crazy. Some people are just not rational. Okay. The move is down. The move is down. The dump that we expected is the move we're getting. It just sucks that I didn't take that. We're already at the bottom of the range. That was quick. I knew I wanted this trade here. I just did not step on it. Okay. I'm going to declutter this a little bit. Okay, we got that massive move down. Beautiful move. This is exactly what I wanted to see. Now we're cooking, guys. Now we're cooking. Now we're making some moves here. All right, what's our next target to the downside? We have the daily open right below us at 905. Daily open right there at 905. Then we have some more liquidity down at 850. $850. Okay, that could be something. Ultimately, we could get down to 760. That could be a nice extended trade if the market does decide to head down there. What's up, Crown? Someone talking? Well, no, I don't think so, at least. I don't think any Fed speakers are talking. It was just the minutes. But we are getting that down, that dump that everyone was expecting. Nell, I will create a video and I'll post that. I will create a video and I will post that. And I'll explain to you how I look at my trades. So what I look when I look to trade, Bud, I like to trade reversals and I like to trade volume on those reversals. So when we get volume spikes, in the markets, when I like to look for opportunities, and then when I see absorption, I like to see a trade in the opposite direction. So here, in this example right here, I'll give you a quick example. And this is my A+ setup that I didn't take because I wanted the market to play out a little bit more. We got a volume spike up. This green candle means that we got more volume than we have in the last 20 candles. Then we got absorption here, which means the sellers absorb the buyers on the delta. The delta is the CVD down here, the cumulative volume delta. It just means the difference between buyers and sellers. So we had this pretty big volume, pretty big delta bar right here, but it got completely absorbed by the sellers. The sellers completely took that in the chin, moved price down. So that told me now that sellers are probably in control. The next red candle told me sellers are definitely in control. And then we got this green candle manipulation back up to clean up the imbalances. This is when I take a short. I should have taken a short here because we created the imbalances, we cleaned up the imbalances, and the next logical thing to do would be go back down, clean up these imbalances, and continue to move down. So that's kind of like the way I look at the market, is when I see manipulation and I see absorption, that's kind of when I like to take a trade. Plus, I keep volume. I look at volume. So, for instance, here on the left-hand side, we've got this VPVR, which shows where the biggest volume areas are of the day. We've got the VWAP on the screen. Pretty much it. I mean, that's the most stuff I use. And I keep an indicator on my screen that tells me what candles have the most volume. That way I don't have to look at a volume histogram. I could just look at the candles and they tell me everything I need to know. I mean, that was pretty quick. I'll break it down into something a lot slower, and I'll upload it into YouTube and also to our education platform, education channel, sorry, on Discord. If you haven't joined the Discord yet, I'll pin it right now. Forgot to pin that. Cool, there we go. Okay, so we just barely missed the daily open. Pretty certain that we're going to get a little bit of a pump here, maybe clean up all the imbalances all the way up to 953, possibly. Come back down, or maybe even higher. Maybe we come in, we test the trend line again. Or maybe we just bounce off the VWAP. I'm not 100% sure yet. I'm still looking at what possibly could be cooking here. Still kicking myself for not taking this trade here, but that's okay. It happens. It happens. Can't win them all. Can't catch them all. Can't win them all. Not sure if the market's strong enough to give us a little bit of a reversal now to the upside, just to clean up some stuff, but maybe not. Maybe not. I think it might have already cleaned up everything it wants to clean up. This candle here tells you a lot too. It tells you that buyers tried to move this price up and they got rejected pretty hard. If we run up to this area again, keep an eye on it because there could be some heavy sellers in this 936 area, 9 to 940. Beautiful rejection though, for sure. Beautiful rejection from this 984 area. It's really, really nice. Went right through the POC. And now we're at daily open. Looking to be patient here. I look forward to seeing that. Yeah, thank you, Nell. Seems like our Discord community is getting pretty active, man. I'm really excited to see that. People posting their trades, people posting education. I'm definitely going to be posting more stuff in there, guys. Look forward to growing that. So our initial balance low is at 919. Could that act as resistance now? Let's mark that on our screen here and see if the 919 will act as resistance now. $920 actually. That was our low. Leave it right there. Initial balance low. Yep, that was it. Not a big fan, guys, of shorting a move on a red candle. I would much rather short this move if we got a sign of strength first. Maybe something coming back up. Right now, I'm kind of hoping that I can maybe catch a long, retesting the VWAP at least, but I don't know if that's such a smart move. That's what happens to me. When I see stuff like this, I end up wanting to counter trade, and I get hurt. I get sliced up. Daily open. What will you do, daily open? Looks like 920 is acting as resistance. Will that be all she wrote? We're going to let her settle in a little bit here. I don't think she's done manipulating either way. I'm expecting a little more up before we get down. That's kind of what I'm hoping for. But I'm hesitant to take the long unless I see, like, I don't know, a little more manipulation. This looks too easy of a reversal. Just like the tap of the daily open and it goes right back up. Usually doesn't happen that way. Maybe it goes up a little bit, but I think then it comes back for stop losses. All right, so we're fighting with the 920. That's the low of the initial balance. She's looking like she wants a little higher. Wouldn't be surprised if we do see the VWAP again. Are we going to range between the VWAP and the daily open? Maybe that's something we might see. See, this is what I look out for here. As this can either be another liquidity grab to then head up. It's kind of what it looks like when you do get it. But recently we've been seeing a lot of these that just continue. They just continue to go down. But either way, it could make for a cheap trade. A cheap trade that might end up going in your favor. With stuff like this, I look forward to do this and then come back with some absorption. Then I get a little bit more bullish. One second, guys. All right, looks like we might be getting a move up. Might be getting a move up. That initial balance there at 920, that was still kind of hurting the team. Very hard to say right now. See, the market is trying to move up higher. I see she's trying. Question is that initial balance going to have enough resistance there to keep us down, or is it? Looks like it's going. Looks like it's going. Difficult to say here, guys. Difficult to say. 1 minute it looks good, 1 minute it doesn't look so hot. All right, so it looks like she's going to be ranging. Definitely going to go and test that VWAP. Look at this. All right, so we're only a few points away from VWAP. We're starting to see some sellers absorbing buyers here. Don't think they'll be too successful for that long. A lot of people are going to come in here, coming into this trade, probably to even scalp a good 5 or 6 points on this move, because it's just like low hanging fruit. Right? It's almost there. That would have made for a decent trade there. I'm expecting another move down, guys. I don't think it's this easy. I really don't. And that is if this market does truly want to move up, I think it's not done manipulating and taking people out. We missed the VWAP by just a hair, by like a point or two. Maybe not even. Maybe a couple ticks. Yeah. So what I'm thinking here by looking at the higher time frames, what I'm thinking here is we've got a pretty clear direction, right? We've got this huge red candle after some bullets absorption. We got the news, huge red candle. The next candle should most likely, in probability's sake, should be red as well. So what I'm thinking is if we pop, grab the liquidity from the VWAP, we could possibly see a good entry for a short at that point from there. That's what I'm thinking. Because at that point, we would have grabbed liquidity from daily open, ran up and grabbed liquidity from VWAP again. We may not need it because, we grabbed liquidity from here already. It's so close, maybe we don't need it, right? And then we head down to lower numbers. We head down to at least fill in these imbalances here and then go down to 850. Could be even lower to yesterday's low or 760. Those are all in the cards. But I think here we still move up a little bit more possibly. If we do, just maybe a couple points over VWAP and then we U-turn then. Makes sense because it would get a lot of people wrecked because there's probably people going short right now. So we go up a little bit more, take out the liquidity, and then come down. That's what I'm thinking. That's my thesis right now. That's what I'm looking for. Looking for a short somewhere between 940 to 950. That is if she'll give it to us. So right now I'm thinking a long into this VWAP and a short from like 950, 945, 950. Yep, there it goes. You ever have PTSD, guys, when you're trading? Where like the whole morning has been a complete train wreck and you're hesitant to take trades because there was no follow through in any moves earlier in the day? And you think that's going to automatically happen with all the moves for the rest of the day. But sometimes you get the follow through when you don't think there's going to be follow through and you miss a lot of moves. And then you tell yourself, no, I got to start taking the trades. And you start taking the trades, there's no follow through. So it could really play your games on you. Really play tricks on your head. It's funny how it's stopping just short of the VWAP. It's funny. It's so fun. She's so funny how she's doing that. And there's been plenty of times where she stops like that and just never goes. She just never goes to VWAP or to another point of interest. Trader Boy says, every day, man. PTSD. We're the PTSD squad. That's hilarious. Yeah. It'd be a real shame if she just reverses from here without taking VWAP, because it'll catch a lot of people off guard. When I say reverse, I mean go down. Which it looks like that's maybe what she's doing. Because, you know, she wants to do what's going to wreck the most people. She may want that VWAP now. All right. Hope she doesn't start this nonsense again that she has been doing recently, which is like a slow grind either way, like a slow grind up or down, and just never does anything. All right, looks like she's going to try to make the run for the VWAP now. We're right at the high of 937. And yeah, looks like we're going through. Okay. So in order to see a reversal, what I'd like to see is a green candle, which means high volume manipulation in a way. And then followed by some absorption, and then we head down. It's kind of what I'm hoping for. Sorry, guys. Still trying to operate the screen with my left hand. All right, let's take a quick look here. We've got CVD that's curling up. You see curling up, which means that like we have big negative CVD volume here, and then it keeps getting smaller and smaller and smaller until it actually goes green. We also have the same thing on this end of it, where its volume is coming down lower. So we almost have like a wedge in the CVD. It's kind of a dangerous thing because you really have no clarity in which way the market actually does want to go. Make sense? Yeah. Very hard. Makes things a little bit more complicated. I still have a bearish bias here with where I think the market may head. Again, we had a quick little love tap of the VWAP. Didn't really violate it much, just tapped it. Don't think that's all she does, but sometimes she does. That's the crazy thing. Like if we were to take the short now, chances are it'll come back and it'll finagle a little bit more up here. Or maybe she's done. She's losing structure. She's losing structure here, so it's making me a little more confident. How are you guys seeing this market? Anybody having any trading plans here? I'm still thinking that we go lower, but this market could obviously change direction. I just want to make sure we get that kind of reaction I'm looking for. Looking for like a high volume blow off top. If we don't see that, then it's going to do a slow grind up. That's kind of what I'm thinking. I'm going to try a quick long here. I'm going to try a quick long, stop. Reason why is because I don't see anything that symbolizes to me a blow off top yet. But I could be wrong here. Market could head lower. The obvious trade here looks like a short, but I don't think it's done messing around with the VWAP yet. But I could be 100% wrong. Yeah, it looks like I'm wrong, guys. Looks like I'm wrong. Looks like I'm wrong. Long and wrong. I am long and wrong. All right. So much for that thesis. Maybe it's going to make the initial balance, the 920 support, right? Maybe. Maybe. Right now, I don't know. YM headed for new highs of the day? Interesting. I'm going to try her again. I'm going to try her again just because. Sell one. Yeah. I'm not going to give her that much room to run. I'm going to give her about 5 points. If she can't do it in 5 points, then it's definitely not going to go to the upside. Initial balance is at 920, so if that doesn't hold, then I'm completely wrong here. It's okay if I'm wrong. I'm not risking much. But I really would like to see the pop here to the upside. So then we can short it. But again, the short might happen now. We'll see. We'll see, guys. YM is the stronger asset right now. I think is what Design Knobs just mentioned to me. Hoping she makes some higher highs here. Just trying to be super patient with her. Okay, we're going to move her to break even now. See if we can't get that first TP. She get rejected here. She getting rejected. Don't get rejected. Don't get rejected. Give it all you got. Come on, baby girl, give it all you got. Put your back into it. Put your back into it, girl. Put your back into it. You got this, girl. Let's go, baby girl. Let's get that green. Let's get that green. Let's get that green. Come on, baby. Let's get that little pop. Let's get that little pop. One more little pop, baby. You missed me by a tick. You missed me by a tick, baby. You missed me by a tick. Let's go. Let's go. No? No? Yes? No? Maybe so? Yes? No? Maybe so? Come on, girl. Come on, girl. Get it, baby. Come on. Come on. Come on. Come on, girl. Yeah, I'd be kidding me. You missed me by a tick. And now he's going to go down. Is she going to go down now? Is she going to go down or is she still going up? Don't do this to me. Don't do this to me. Don't do this to me. You're looking kind of weak right now. Ay, ay, ay. If you go red, I'm going to have to close you out. You don't want that, do you? You don't want me to close you out, do you? The sexy trader. Pips Hunter is funny. Yeah, you got a sweet talker, man. If you don't sweet talk to NQ, she'll just do you dirty like she's doing me right now. Oh, yeah, girl. Am I going to close you? Am I going to close you? Am I going to close you? Oh, yeah. Should I close her? I'm going to close her.
Order filled.
Who the hell is calling me? Sorry, guys. I know you guys hate it when people call me. It sucks. I closed her out. Should have kept her open. Stupid phone ringing. Kind of scared me. We go higher here? Yeah, man. Maybe we did the right move. Maybe we did the right move. Maybe this thing is going to go down now. Maybe we did the right move. Looking kind of weak now, though, to be honest. But we always know when she looks weak, she gets strong. If you're strong, she gets weak. They just play with your emotions and they just do it the opposite way, which whatever you think is the opposite. Sometimes it's hard to make out what is actual real trading and what's algo. It's really hard. Yeah, NQ is definitely a woman with her mood swings. She's a moody one. I still think we got higher in us, man. I really do. I really do. I think we got a little bit higher in us than the drop. I think the drop's a little premature right now, but it can happen at any point. It can happen at any time. Yeah, good thing we closed out. Hilarious though how she missed us by a tick on the first TP. Is this where we lose her? I don't know. I don't really see any signs of reversals in either direction at the moment. The only reversal I see is a reversal up because we had so much volume coming down. It's just so hard to say. Haven't seen a blow off top. Haven't really seen any volume spikes up to signify that, you know, we've trapped anybody. Let's check out our different time frames. Maybe we can make some heads or tails of it there. All right, looking at our 3 minute, it still looks like it wants to muster up the strength to go higher. Maybe it'll do it now at the initial balance again at 920. It could be it does it there at the 920 level. That looks a little promising. That is a little bit of a demand zone there, where it's bouncing from. It's kind of looking like that. We're back at those 920s. We'll try her again, guys. I'm keeping her tight here though, only a 4-point stop loss. If we get the first TP at 936, then I'll feel a little better about going to break even. No, wrong way, girl, wrong way. Wrong way.
Stop
you know
field.
Any better?
Stop field.
Alright. She didn't want it that time either. She did not want it that time. Am I wrong here, guys, thinking about this long into the short? Should we be thinking nothing but shorts?
Order filled.
I'm going to try her again. Buy. Hopefully this time we can get her. Hopefully this time it gives it to us. Come on, girl. Don't be so rude. Don't be so rude, baby girl. Don't be so rude. You've been playing with our emotions this whole time. Don't you start. Don't you do it. Don't you do it, baby. We need you to go. We need you to go higher. Come on. Come on, girl. Come on, girl. Come on, baby. Come on, baby. Push. Push, baby. Push. Push. I know you got it in you, girl. Push it. I know you got that VWAP in you. Come on. Ay, ay, ay. No, 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 no.
Stop field.
Thinking we're at a little bit of profit there. She sucks. She really does suck. She's horrible. Now it looks like she's going up higher now after she take out those stops again. This is really hard to read. Super hard to read today. She might need one more big drop down before going up. That's kind of what I'm thinking. She likes to chop around a lot too. Chop around, chop around, chop up and get down. I should have taken profits there. Probably could have had like $400 or $500 off her. All right, Tova, take care. Good seeing you, brother. See you tomorrow. We'll be here trying to get our money back.
Order filled.
All right, we're gonna give her a little bit of. All right, we'll
Order
take a little
filled.
bit off of there. Trying to get old girl back to profitable status. See if we can get her to go. Yeah, I knew she was going. Just the way she plays, man. The way she plays is rough. Okay. That was a very pretty move. Came back down, tested this level of support, and then ran. I just wish I wouldn't have got stopped out so many times. So much noise there. So much noise. All right, let's see what happens there. I think she goes much higher, man. I really do. I think she's gonna clean up those imbalances before thinking about coming back down. I knew she wasn't done manipulating its VWAP. I knew she wanted a little bit higher, whether that's to just take out stop losses or whether that is to actually go higher and clean up imbalances. Either way, I knew that the more probable trade was a long. Bitcoin's at 91,000, dropping like a rock. ES is doing better than the NQ. I think Nvidia's having a rough day. Let's see how much higher she actually wants to go. We're officially in Power Hour. Power Hour has begun. Let's see if we can't get ourselves one good trade for the day. You guys thinking she moves back into the POC? Kind of thinking that. Might just range between the open balance, the low of the open balance, and maybe the high of the open balance. But anything is on the table. We could also get a move down. If I get a cheap enough opportunity, I may try the long if I get a cheap enough opportunity. She's doing a lot. She's doing a lot of chopping here. A lot of chopping at VWAPing. She's chopping the VWAPing. So what they're trying to do here is they're trying to make us wonder, is she going to hold VWAP? Is she going to bounce off VWAP? Or she's going to reject VWAP and come back down? That's what she's having. That's what they're having us kind of battle with right now. No real way of knowing what is going to happen next. But the only thing you can do is just look for signs of rejection or signs of strength. Right now, it's kind of early to say. It's kind of hard to say right now what I'm seeing, but logic would say we're going to range in the opening balance and go back up, because that's normally what price does. It ranges most of the time. We got to keep our antennas up for everything. So this would be the high of the idea I had earlier. I said that, if we break VWAP, maybe around 940 to 950, we might see a reversal. If we go past the 950, then we're just going to clean up the rest of the imbalances and head to the point of control at 960. And that looks possible as well. Rough day today. Hard to read this market. So price likes to gravitate to areas of high volume because that's where it finds its equilibrium. That's where the majority of traders, well, not majority of traders, but big institutional players, they like to trade within that range. When it's under that range, it gets bought up because it's cheap, it's underpriced. When it's above that range, like this cluster right here, buyers tend to not buy as much, so sellers have to bring their prices down. And usually they meet their equilibrium price here. That's why I always say that, you know, we're most likely going to range, because it always gets attracted to that equilibrium price where buyers and sellers find a good, happy price, a happy medium, I should say. All right, it's power hour, it's 3:10. Hoping we can see something decent here. Don't want to close out this account in the red. Not down by much, but it's a little red. But sometimes no trade is a good trade.
Order filled.
We'll try it here. So I'm trying this quick short here. And maybe it won't be quick. Maybe it'll be an extended short. But I saw the absorption here on 950, and I had this idea from before, so I don't want this trade to get away from me, and then I don't take it. So we're trying it. Oof. No, 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 no. Not liking its current direction right now. This could be the trade of my day, guys, if it goes how I think. If it goes the way I think, this could make my day. Can get me into the position that I wanted to be in earlier. All right, so we're hoping that we get this continuation down. That's what I'm aiming for. If we can't get it, then we'll be stopped out at 952. Looks like VWAP served as a launch pad there. Ay, ay. Not looking so hot. Not looking so hot there. More than likely we get stopped out here unless we have a miracle in our hands. Could be we getting lucky here. Not so much lucky, but this is the move I was waiting for. If we get this quick drop down, this would be very good for us. It's the move I was expecting, but if we don't get it, we get stopped out here, or reconsider our bias for the rest of the day. Unless it just wants, it probably just wants this liquidity and then it's gonna drop like a rock. I would hate for that to happen. I really would hate for that to happen. Wow, did we just get saved again? Did we just get saved again? Oh my. I don't know if we're that lucky or what, but if we are, thank you. Oh no, there she goes. She's going back up. No, don't go up. Don't go up. You need to drop. You need to drop like a rock, girl. Drop. How come when I want you to drop, you go up, and up you go drop? What is wrong with you? You're being very, very skittish today. You're doing the opposite of what I need you to do. The opposite, I tell you. The opposite. You make it very dramatic, girl. You're making this thing very dramatic here. You're making it super difficult for me. We can't have that. Come on, baby girl. Come on, baby girl. You don't need to come back up. Just go down. You don't need up. Ah. Come on, baby girl. Go down. Not up. Go down. Not up. Go down, baby. Go down, baby. Come on. Wow. Talk about close calls here. Talk about close calls. We're getting some really close calls. If we get this drop here, that would be magnificent. If is the big question. If we get this drop here, it'll be magnificent. But she's having a hard time going down. She's having a really hard time going down. I was a little early to my trade. I'm not going to lie. I was early to this trade. But that was the price range I was looking for. And I'm hoping that she respects that. Hoping that she respects that and stays down. I'm not really sure if that's going to happen right now. Looks like she wants higher. Can you turn around and go down, please? Turn around and go down. Go down. You don't need to be up here. There you go. There you go. Just keep it going down. Keep it down. Keep it down, girl. Go down. Go down. Don't give me a heart attack. Don't give me a heart attack. Go down, baby. Come on, baby. Do it for daddy. Come on, baby girl. Do it for daddy. Do it for daddy, baby. Come on. Come on. Come on. Come on, baby girl. Ah, come on, girl. Be kind. Be kind to your old man. Be kind to your old man here. Be kind to your old man here. We have that first TP at the VWAP. Hopefully we can get her to go down there. Looks like she might. Looks like she very much might.
Order filled.
Okay, we took the first. And now, hopefully we take a second soon. I'm not sure if I want to close these or what. I'm going to move one to break even. Can we get her to keep dropping? Can we get her to keep dropping? I'm going to protect this position completely and see if we can get her to come to 920. See if we can't get her to 920. That would be nice if we can get her to go to 920. See, this is the exact move that I was waiting on. I'm just hoping that this doesn't end up reversing on us. That would be horrible if it does. So frustrating, so frustrating, so frustrating. Please don't go back up. Drop it down. Drop it down, girl. Drop it down. Drop it down, girl. Please don't do this to me now. We need a good day here. We need a good day. We don't need any more of this nonsense. Give us a nice clean move down. Nice clean move down. You know you don't like what Daddy Jerome Powell said. You know you didn't like what he said. He said you're not going to get any more sugar. You're not going to get the car on the weekends. You can't go to the movies. So be upset and go down. Just drop it, girl. Just drop it, girl. You don't need to be going up. You do not need to go up. You need to go down. You need to go down, girl. You need to go down, not up. Come on, girl. There's nothing for you up there. There's nothing for you up there. Trust me, there's nothing good for you up there. All the good stuff is down at the bottom. Come on. Come on. Come on, girl. Come on, baby. There we go, baby girl. Come on, baby girl. There you go. 920 looks really good. 920 looks really good. I know you like 920. Come on, girl. 920. 920. 920's got a good ring to it. 920's got a beautiful ring to it. But are you gonna? Nah, that doesn't look like she's not playing ball. She's wanting to come back up here. She's wanting to come back up here. Oh, you're killing me here. You're killing me, girl. You're killing me, girl. I'm at the. Oh, yeah. What do you want to do? Just don't torture me like this. Don't torture me. Just go already. Just go. You know you don't want to be up here. You know you don't want to be up here. Come on, baby girl. Come on, baby girl. Drop it, girl. Drop it, girl. Come on, baby. Drop it. Drop it. Come on, girl. You don't need to be up here. I know you're not going to do this to me, are you? You're not going to do this to me. Not today, right? Not today. Come on. Give me some sugar, baby. Give me some sugar. Give me some sugar. No. We don't need you up there. We don't need you up there. No. No. We need you down. We need you down. Don't go up. Don't go up. Don't go up. Every time I need you to go up, baby, you go down. Every time I need you to go down, you go up. What's with you? What's gotten into you? What has gotten into you, girl? What has gotten into you? What has gotten into you? This is not the NQ that I know and love. This is not her. Okay, baby? Just go down. Just go down. Give me that 920. Give us that 920, baby. You gonna give us that 920? I know you saved me by a tick earlier, but don't do this to me now. Come on. Oh, yeah. You the worst.
Stop.
All you're doing is
Filled.
causing me trading fees here. That's all you're doing. Costing me trading fees. I should just start taking your profits because you treat me bad. You treat me horrible. Ay. Can't win them all. The idea was good, but that's as long as it. That's as far as she went. This could be a stop run, not sure, but see what happens.
Order filled.
I was wrong. I just gave back all my profits. I just gave back all my profits. No.
Stop filled.
Damn it. Alright, I thought that was a stop run. That was not good. I really need a good hit, man. I really need a good hit here. Really need a good hit. Really not sure where it's going to come from, but we need a good hit.
Order filled.
I'm all out of love. I'm so lost without you. Come on, baby girl. Don't do this to me again. You know you don't want to do this, girl. So I'm risking 3 here to make 100. Let's hopefully those odds work in our favor. Risking 3 to make 100. Not really trying to lose that much. Ugh, come on, you dirty scoundrel. So my idea was that that was a liquidity run, but I could be completely wrong here, and this could blow the whole roof off. But I'm hoping I'm not wrong, but it looks like I am.
Stop filled.
All right, so we're gonna chill out for a second because this market looks like it wants much higher. My idea of this market dropping here is not coming to fruition, which I'm not too happy about. Really not too happy about, but I don't want to miss it at the same time because this is my idea, the 950 reversal. This is my idea, and it seems like we're getting a lot of resistance there. Now she's making it through. Yeah, she's probably just gonna maneuver her way higher.
Order filled.
Again? Don't tell me again. You gotta be kidding me. $36.40, reload to get back to 60. It might be wanting to go higher, right? So I'm starting to think. Just thinking these are a bunch of liquidity grabs, but it looks like this market just wants higher and higher and higher and higher.
Stop
All right.
filled.
I'm done shorting this thing. This stupid market. What's up, Hammer? Yeah, I think that's what happened. I think you're right about that. I think we might we're at the point of control now. Might head up to this 978. Oh, look at that. Look at them apples. Oh, everything's getting bought up with the quickness. Shorts got absorbed and trapped. Need to puke them out. Yeah, where was everybody going short? Down at the daily open?
Order filled.
See a little something here, but looks like it's turning out to be nothing. Yeah, these buyers are out of control. The buyers are out of control right now.
Stop filled. Stop
Yeah,
filled.
that's nuts. This market wants nothing to do with lower. You can't post a picture in Discord? Yeah. This price action, I hate this kind of price action. I really do. The slow grind up, it gets me every time. Is there any reason why we reverse here? Any reason? I don't think so. But sometimes they don't need a reason.
Order filled.
Let's see. All right. I took it to break even just because this price action has been nothing but up. If we get a quick drop here,
Stop
great.
filled.
If not, we get stopped out. We get stopped out. Looks like it only took one off. It left me with one and took two off. Yeah, looks like it's coming back for everything now. Oh, it only gave me one. It took two and left me with one. That sucks. I hope we can get at least this one then. Yeah, it's not moving too good. I hate this. This price action is really terrible. I'm gonna take her off here
Order
because
filled.
looks like she's coming back for higher.
Order filled.
So here, buy here.
Stop filled.
That sucks. Clearly, this price action is not meant for me. Horrible the way that this market's moving right now. It can't even make up its mind whether it wants to go up or down. Let's take a look at some other time frames because this is driving me insane. Yeah, no, man, that's bearish as hell. She's bearish as anything.
Order
Try
filled.
again. Sell 3, buy 3. This is all she wants to do is just take stops, take stops, take stops, take stops. Oh my god. Oh, this is like death by 1,000
Stop
cuts.
filled.
Death by 1,000 cuts. Exactly what this is. I think I'm going to wait till we get back up to 958 to try her again if this happens. Because other than that, I mean, this is ridiculous. 54, 58. That's all she's going to do is just continue going higher. This is horrible. This is just going to continue going higher. Looking like she's going to drop every single time. Okay. I think we have a good chance at 960 because there was some absorption here before. Let's see how this price reacts this time around. It's looking like she wants to make that full reversal all the way back up to the top of the range. Maybe we gotta stop fighting her. Maybe we gotta start joining her. Yeah, we'll see. Look at her. God damn her. I swear I want to kill her sometimes. NQ is a wild girl, man. She really is. She can get out of hand. That could have been a liquidity run there to bring these prices higher. That last little candle in the 1 minute. Very likely that's what that could have been. I'm going to keep toggling through some of these time frames, see if I catch anything different. Just keep seeing higher and higher. Slow grind, guys. Slow grind. 340 right now. 340. And I think the algos are coming out in 10 minutes or 7 minutes. And she slow grinds up for the rest of the day, I would assume. Target met. Good for you, Hammer. That's amazing, brother. I'm glad you're having a good day. So you had a lot of orders at 960? Is that what you're saying? There was a lot of orders there on the DOM? Is that what it was reaching for? Wow. Look at the pumpage. That 344. And we're getting a little bit of a pump. CVD is confirming that move. Saying there is a lot of volume falling through. Ay, ay. Not sure what to make of this. There was some positioning this morning around 60. I got you. Yeah, that makes sense. That makes a lot of sense. If we would have just rode this trend line, we could have got 2 more bounces from bang, bang. I think we were going long back here, right? We were going long back here, and then we just didn't stick with it. 980 is going to be a tough area. Looks like it's rushing to get there. Maybe it's rushing to get to 980 so it can get dropped at 980. Market doesn't ever really seem to want to do what you want it to do, huh? Getting close to 980 now. Let's see what happens here. We had a lot of resistance here earlier. Murder bot in 3 minutes. Countdown. Yes, sir. Yeah. This market is really taking off from the lows, man. From the daily open. It's really taking off. Look at Nvidia recovered. Tesla's down a little. Amazon is pumping 3% up. It's got a lot of free space here. There was a trend line earlier this morning that was broken. Maybe that'll serve as some kind of resistance now. Wow, look at that 3-minute candle. 3-minute candle is pretty sick. It's the most movement we've seen all afternoon. We're at 988. It's really hard to know what to do here, if anything at all. Couldn't imagine MOC pumping this market. I don't know, maybe the market higher, right? Maybe. Well, we'll find out in 1 minute. We'll find out in 1 minute. Murderbot's coming up. Murderbot's coming up. Wow. He pumped her, but I don't know if it's going to stick. Is she going to stick? No. So she's having a hard time. He's happy. He's not so happy, right? Design knob. You can't make heads or tails of this damn murder bot situation here. Oh yeah. She's going down. She's going up. She's going down. She's going up. Yeah. I like to think I know what the market wants to do here, but it's hard to say because the minute you take a trade, it automatically starts going in the opposite direction. Yeah, I'm not even sure if there's any trades left to be had. 352. We're still scouting for a possible decent entry, but I don't see one. Yeah, I might just have to bow out with the loss today. Should have not even traded it, but we tried. We sure did try. Is it possible that we trapped that many shorts down here? Is it possible that there was that many shorts that got trapped? That this is really a result of that? This is not even today. This is today here. Was it that serious? Yeah, I mean, we had a pretty big candle, and a lot of people were getting bearish. But not that many. Negative 323, negative 200. I mean, we had more down here. I guess that was enough. I mean, this whole candle was red. This whole candle was red, so everything that came up pushed it higher and higher because people had to close out their positions. It just started to squeeze out these people too. So since there were so many shorts in here, as we were going up, they were closing their shorts, which turned into a buy. But I mean, why is it still pumping now? Who knows, right? Who knows? Who knows? Who knows? All right, let's see what else we can come up with. It's funny how it went right up to the trend line. Look at that. Right to the trend line. That's crazy. That's almost like scary how that happens, right? It goes like right to a trend line and then it goes. It's really crazy. Nasty rejection, crazy pump. Yes, sir. That's why you can't really trust these 350 to 4 o'clock trades. You really can't trust them at all because they have no rhyme or reason for doing anything. They'll just reverse on a dime. Yeah. Rough day for my one account. I only traded this one account, so thank God for that. Unfortunately for me, this is the account that I was doing the best in. So that kind of sucks. Does it want to make this run for 21.24? Could possibly want to make this run for 21.24. 1,000 tick chart looks like 1,000 order sell at the trend line. Let's check that out. Now that Crown has taught me how to use these other candles. Where is it? Chart settings? No. I thought it was in candlesticks. Oh, it's in time. Ticks. Thousand tick chart look like 1,000 orders sell at the trend line.
Order filled.
I'm gonna take that quick short. Hopefully I can get it. Let's see. It's gonna be an expensive one if I get it wrong. Yeah, it looks like I'll be getting it wrong. Trying to see if I can catch maybe 2 and leave a runner if it goes now. Still higher? You gotta be kidding me. You gotta be kidding me. At this point, I'm just becoming liquidity for this market again. This market just wants higher and higher and higher. Higher and higher and higher. That's all it wants. Higher, higher, higher. Buy, 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 buy. Buy, buy, buy. Stop Lewis out. Stop Lewis out. He went higher. Go higher. Ay, ay, ay. If you save me by a tick, I would be so happy. If I got saved by a tick once again, oh, yo, no, not so lucky, huh? Not so lucky. Not so lucky, punk.
Stop filled.
Oh, man. And the funny thing is, it's probably going to be a short right here. It's probably going to turn into a short. That's the funny thing. It's probably going to end up being a short. 3:58 p.m. though. I had no business taking a trade. They can't get enough of it. They can't get enough. They can't get enough of my liquidity. Can't get enough of my liquidity. They love it. What crazy price action, man. What crazy price action. Yeah. Crazy, crazy price action. Throw a 24 EMA on there. Yes, sir. Oh, is that what she's doing? Is that what she's doing, Crown? Why didn't you tell me that earlier, buddy? The action that flips the tilt switch today. Yeah, this could get me tilty. This definitely could get me. Well, I'm not trading this anymore. That was just. I saw weakness here. I don't know if you guys see it too. I saw weakness there. But it just needed that one more. It needed one more, right, to just come in and mess with us. That's the thing, man. I'm just so early to these stupid moves a lot of times. And the times that I'm not early to it and I don't take it, it ends up going anyway. Not always. I'm just talking out of my butt right now. Yeah. Getting a lot of price action. Do we expect any, yeah, chat's a little slow. Action stuff up too. Yeah, we get any, I don't know if we're getting any, Anything reporting today? Oh, I think we're done with earnings season. Yeah, we're done. No. Nah. Abercrombie & Fitch is reporting today. Dell, is that today? The 26th? I got it in market cap order. Or did I? No, I had it in, yeah, Dell does. Yeah, they do. CrowdStrike also. Okay. I had an alphabetical order. She's done. I think she's done. She's done. She's done. Let's check out some entertainment. Some days you know you got it. Some days you just can't win a single trade. Can't win a tick. Today is one of those days where it just doesn't make sense. Does not make sense. What's going on in the world? Let's find out. Spend a few minutes with you guys here just kicking it. I like Bruce Willis, man. You guys are a fan of Bruce Willis? He's a great actor. I really like that guy. He's kind of showing his age now, but he still looks good. Still looks good. That's Demi Moore's daughter probably, right? Him and Demi Moore? Who knows? It's pretty cool. I don't even know if you guys can see that. Did you guys hear that there's a lot of rumors going around that Elon might buy MSNBC? It's pretty crazy. Pretty crazy. Let's see what you guys want to hear what a bunch of liberals have to say.
Influence is profound, and that
you probably don't. Yeah, if Elon Musk buys MSNBC, that would be hilarious. I think he's just trolling them, though. I really do. I think I think he's trolling them. Patrick's been killing it. He says he's up $600,000 in 20 Apex accounts, taking over $100,000 in payouts. I wonder when they're going to cut him off. I'm sure they don't want to pay another $1 million payout. It's pretty interesting. Looks like it's a slow news day, guys. Not really going on. Slow news day. All right. All right, guys. I think I'm going to have to head out. The short is holding. It is. If I jump in now, though, you know it's going to go the other way. But I don't think I can trade my prop firms after 4 o'clock. I think there's a restriction on those. So I'm just going to let her kind of melt without me. Even though I've been trying to catch her from 950. I've been trying to catch her from 950 and she decides to do it all the way up here, which is fine. That's what she does. Yeah, 420. Or 410. What do you? Oh yeah, it's like 415 or something like that. But I don't want to cut it too close. Oh. No, I didn't even know. I didn't even know Top Step had a Discord. I thought they didn't have a Discord. They have almost 100,000 members on Discord. Oh, maybe I'll join them later. Let's see. Let's see. Yeah, there's nothing going on in the world today, guys. There's nothing we can really talk about here today. All right, so I guess I'm gonna let you guys go. I gotta take my daughters to CrossFit and get ready for tomorrow. Tomorrow will be a new day. Hopefully we get some better price action than what we got today. This was absolute. For me, it was bad. Hopefully it was better for you guys, but for me, it was pretty nasty. Didn't really give us what I wanted to see. Usually on these bigger time frames, when I see stuff like this with a big red candle, I'm expecting further, you know, kind of further downside, but it looks like this was kind of just a fake out. Happens. We were able and smart enough to stay away from a lot of this. We did okay in the morning, but got caught up in the afternoon. Thankfully we didn't hit DLL, so live to fight another day. All right, guys. So I will see you tomorrow. Thanks guys for watching.